morning, everybody. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. And what a beautiful morning it is. I want you to look at this sunrise. Is that not glorious? I love it out here. Love it, love it, love it. But anyways, we have finally got some cooler weather. I got the Caballero out of the barn. Thank you, pigeons. I mean, oh my God, look at that. Isn't that a mess? I'm going to get a wash job done on this thing. I'm going to take the seats out and get it cleaned up. But as I'm washing it, I want to wash Mr. J's cab and the Corvette transmission, because Wednesday, Randy and Brian are going to come and we're going to team up on this thing, and we're going to get a transmission on a motor and into a car. Oh, that has been so long coming. I am so ready. Tomorrow, Austin should be here. We are going to get some things rearranged in the shop so we can move around a little better. And we're going to, once I get the motor buttoned up in the Corvette and running, it is off the rack. Mr. J's frame goes on, or excuse me, cab goes on the rack, frame goes under the cab, and we are on our way. Still haven't done my project for my mom yet. I need to get on that. It's the top for a well house. Have to rebuild it about every 3 to 5 years just because of weather eating up the boards, but that shouldn't be a hard project. But anyways, oh, I got some tools to show y'all. I come across these. My daughter and son-in-law gave me an Amazon gift card for Father's Day, and I come across these. They're called Ulsa tools. And you know how when you get a tool set, the most popular socket is always missing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Every socket is there. The quality on these things are unbelievable. And I reached out to the company and told them, I said, hey, I really like your product. I ordered, at first I ordered the SAE. And there they are. And the quality on these things, I mean, they are very, very nice. No rough edges, all finished. Good stamped in numbers so they're not going to wear off. And so I went ahead and ordered the metric set. And as I said, you know, this is a standard set from Cobalt. This right here is the standard set from Ulsa. And $25. Can you believe that? $25. But they have given me a link to give to y'all so y'all can check them out. So I want y'all to check them out. And as soon as they're supposed to be sending me some organizers, as soon as I get those, we're going to do a little bit more video on them. But guys, I want to get to work on buttoning up an engine so we can get this thing in a car. Let's get to it. And once again, in true YouTuber style, I forgot to hit record. But there is a motor in the Corvette. Brian, where are you going? You're he's sneaking out of the way. We had Randy from AAR. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Least I can do.
what, 30 minutes to drop this thing in?
30 minutes for all the hours you put in on the Chevelle.
Put the transmission on, dropped it in the car, got the motor mounts bolted. Oh my gosh. Later in this video, you will hear it run for the first time since I got it. And hopefully move. So, gentlemen, thank y'all.
You're welcome.
It's time to get busy. Alrighty, I'm done washing. Okay, I'm just done.
Getting kind of toasty, I'll say that much.
We got the transmission ready to go in the Corvette. Yay! We're going to be doing that tomorrow morning. Randy's supposed to be here. My cousin Brian's showing up. Austin's got to work.
Unfortunately.
But thank you, Austin, for coming down and bailing me out today.
Hey, no problem.
But we got that washed. We got Mr. J's cab washed. That turned out pretty good. I'm glad I did it. You didn't see this, Austin, but the bottom cab corners that they had put in down here, you would not believe the amount of sand. Well, you can kind of see it on that.
It's all over here still.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
It washed off there. I mean, yeah, there's still a lot in here, but boy, that floor looks a lot cleaner. The top is definitely better. So once this goes on the frame, we can start work on the body on this thing. It don't need a whole bunch, so it shouldn't take long to get it done. I'm putting a serpentine drive on the Caballero. So I got the brackets, got them all cleaned up. Got the Caballero cleaned up. It just looks better. But I want y'all to look at this right real quick. This is something that blows my mind. I want you to look how pristine the bed area is in this thing. You got a couple of little dents right there on that wheel well. A little one right there. But I think we're going to fix all the dents in the back of this thing. Get all this ground down, sanded down. And I am going to paint it just as beautiful as I do the rest of it. And I found a rubber mat that goes in the back of this thing, which, you know, we could lay in. And then I've also found a tonneau cover for it. So that's going to look good. Got the dash panel cleaned up so I can get it, start wrapping it in leather. But there's things to get done before I get on this. And of course, got my tractor washed.
The daily things that must be done.
Well, Austin, let's get out of here. Let's go home and enjoy the air conditioning.
Agreed.
All
Get out
right.
of the heat.
Thank you all so much for joining me. We'll see you next time. Santa's Workshop.